Sagar Thapar from Yes Bank to felicitate Namrata ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Riddhi. I am from Capsavi Consultants. So I have this honor to introduce our chief guest and the first speaker of this event. He is rated as the best-selling business author with 17 best-selling books on Chanakya, starting with all-time recording sales of Corporate Chanakya to children's series named Chatur Chanakya. He has readers from all age groups across the globe. He is the founder and director of Chanakya International Institute of Leadership Studies at the University of Mumbai. He has conducted lectures in institutions like IIMs, IITs, NSC, BSc, and the list can go on. He has been a leadership and strategy advisor to 500 plus organizations, including various corporations, government, and NGOs. He has been awarded by many national and international awards. Rated as the top 50 management thinkers in India by Thinker50.com, he is on a mission mode to bring back ancient Indian wisdom in a modern format. So please give round of applause to the chief guest of our event, Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai.
I have to summarize everything about Chanakya in 10 minutes. So I'll tell you one story. There was a person, he had a startup, a very close friend of mine, and he told me, Radha, तेरी contacts मुझे देना. I said, ठीक है, दोस्त है तो दे देता हूँ. And he went to one person to sell his service. Chartered accountant, brilliant guy. He had some new offerings, this 10 years ago. He goes to the person, and I call him up and say, my friend, एक बार appointment दे देना. Chairman of a company. And then after that, my friend calls back and say, अपॉइंटमेंट मिल गया लेकिन प्रॉब्लम है, धंधा नहीं मिला. क्या धंधा की बात नहीं है, कुछ और हो गया. बोले क्या हो गया? आई एक्सप्लेन टू हिम द प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज एंड इज टेलिंग मी आई एम रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर कंपनी. मेरी कंपनी कह रही इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होता है 15 ईयर्स अगो. इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होता है? मेरा कंपनी खरीदना चाहता है. आई टोल्ड हिम अगेन एंड अगेन टू दैट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, वाज टेलिंग मी, अरे यू हैव टू बाय माय सर्विस. यू नो व्हाट ही टोल्ड? योर सर्विस इज सो गुड बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू रन अ बिजनेस. He called me up and क्या समझा ही नहीं. So let me find out. So I just spoke to the chairman friend of mine and I told him, how was the meeting? It was excellent. ऐसा बंदा बहुत कम मिलते हैं. Okay, but he doesn't know how to do business. धंधा करने को नहीं आता है. And he doesn't know that for that he requires money. I'm ready to invest money और वो डर रहा है. Then I called him up again and saying that at least go and have a second round of meeting. He went for second round and said equity. Of course, being a chartered accountant, he understands the technical terms. लेकिन जेब में से 10 रुपये देने के लिए डर लगता है ना. सो ही कम्स एंड ही सेज ओके एंड ओके लेट्स कंसिडर. यू विल बी सरप्राइज ही गॉट अ फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 30 crores विदाउट even asking. बोथ पार्टीज आर फ्रॉम बॉम्बे एंड देन while the final stages again call me, श्योर है ना ये बंदा सही है ना? मेरे को लगा थोड़ा धंधा देगा, ये तो पूरा धंधे में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. So don't worry about it, he's a very nice guy, but let me tell you something. Actually, his budget is to 100-300 crores. He's only first round of investment. वो series A बोलते हैं. So 30 crores. And believe me, today he actually has got around 15 offices across the globe and more than 300 chartered accountants working under him. Why am I telling you this particular story is that I had a small role to play, only to introduce, but also to guide. So all startups, when we say what is the most important thing in startup, so many people have different, I would say answers. The first one is idea, problem solving, investor, confidence. वो सब ठीक है. But do you have a mentor? Do you have a mentor? That's very, very, very important. You may have a great idea, but no idea will become a business model till you have somebody guiding you. Second, even if you get an investor, you still require a mentor. So I just want to tell you, Chanakya was a mentor, and let me tell you, all the startups require a mentor at 3 stages. Before the business, during the business, and after the business. वो बोलते हैं ना, लाइफ में पैदा होने से पहले भी गाइडेंस चाहिए, जिंदगी भर गाइडेंस चाहिए और मरने के बाद भी गाइडेंस चाहिए. So 3 stages before you start the business, while doing business, and third one when you exit the business. And without a business mentor, so you will not be able to understand. So let me give you a few examples and stop over here. 10 मिनट पूरा नहीं लूँगा. The first thing is that in India we have a culture of guiding somebody very freely, isn't it true? Everybody in India is a doctor and a teacher. यहाँ पे बहुत मिलेंगे आपको, but unfortunately we don't value them. Advice which is given freely is not valued. But you'll be surprised, at what point do you require guidance? So there was a psychologist, child psychologist. One mother came to him and said, I want to guide my child to do well in life. So the child psychologist said, how old is your child? He said, 6 years old. तो बोलते you're already 6 years late, go run home. तो अगर आपने 5-6 साल बिजनेस किया तो already late. In India we have a parampara of guiding the mother and the child even before they are born. Abhimanyu? So in India we have a beautiful culture. At least the first child, the mother goes to her mother's house, isn't it true? It creates an ecosystem of guiding the yet born child. So if you are in the stage of incubation, all these new terms are coming in now, isn't it? And incubation is not about having a place over there. Believe me, there are so many incubation centers happening across India. IIT, IIMs, you go everywhere, it's all incubation centers. But if you are not incubated, you will not be able to understand. That's why the first time the mentor comes in. Idea has to be made into a proper business plan. I was asking a few people, don't worry, पैसा बहुत है इंडिया में, बॉम्बे में तो बिल्कुल है और बिगेस्ट एरिया है ये, यहाँ पे इतना पैसा, you'll be surprised. And I just want to tell you, my dear friends, even if you have an idea, to convert that to a business plan is not going to be easy, isn't it? And that's why I always say, I guide so many college young boys and girls. I always tell them, your idea is on a PPT, but your business is done on an Excel sheet. True or no? So your idea can be in a PPT or a video, but have you converted that to an Excel sheet? And let me tell you very frankly, a shark is a very negative word. All investors are actually angels. They are actually the people who love you. ऐसे थोड़ी पैसा देते हैं. It's not about the money. It's about they bring in the years of experience. So you require a mentor to make that idea into a business plan. Second stage, after you get the funding, also new problem starts. पैसा है, अभी क्या करें? And therefore we see a lot of negative examples of cash burns. Isn't it true? When you're doing a business, you require a mentor. And the biggest example is Sri Krishna guiding Arjuna in the Mahabharata war. Believe me, mentor is not only an advisor. Of course, you can have multiple words, coach, advisor, mentor, ठीक है. But मेरे साथ जो खड़ा रहता है और बताता है क्या सही है क्या गलत है. And third, when you mature, advisor will tell you बहुत हो गया, अभी धंधा बंद करो और दूसरे धंधे को सपोर्ट करो. धंधा बंद करो, दूसरे, you should know when to exit. And exit is not about valuation. Exit is about maturity. I'd like to stop here with two stories, which is my favorite stories. And one is from this great culture called the Marwadi culture. How many Marwadis here? Look around. इनके साथ चाय पे चर्चा करो. Believe me, we don't understand Indian values of business. So one tip for all of you. I'm an author, right? 3 books everybody should read. It's called Dhanda Paisa Rokda. Random Penguin Book House. They are also my publishers. Dhanda, how Gujaratis do business. Rokda, how Marwadis do business. And Paisa, how Sindhis do business. And the 4th one is coming in the series. How Malayalis do their business. I am not joking. We don't know Indian model of business. So let me start with this Marwadi story. The Marwadi story is very interesting. There's a small town, and let me tell you, small towns only become big towns. तो कोई भी छोटा नहीं होता, समय की बात है. There's a small town and there was a Marwadi running a hardware shop. And believe me, वो कैसा ना, जहाँ ना पहुँचे बैलगाड़ी वहाँ पहुँचे मारवाड़ी. Every village in India will have a Marwadi shop, isn't it true? तो एक छोटा टाउन था, वहाँ पे एक मारवाड़ी का हार्डवेयर का दुकान था. And after 20 years, exactly opposite to his shop, there was a new Marwadi businessman starting a business, young banda. So there was a local newspaper. So he came and asked this Marwadi businessman, आपको कैसे लग रहा है? Breaking news. There's somebody, competitor coming right in front of you. He's going to take away your business. So he says, you'll be surprised. I don't feel him as a threat. Why? Don't ask me, ask him. मेरा धंधे के में time waste मत करो. So this person goes, the journalist, to the other person, is a very young person. तो बोलता, how do you feel? Don't you feel threatened? इतना बड़ा shark, बराबर है? इतना बड़ा बंदा आपके आगे, यानी आप उनके आगे धंधा चालू कर रहे हो. And he says, क्यों डरने का? Why? He is invested into my company. तो why did he invest into your company? उससे जाके पूछो. He again goes back and asking me कि are you invested in that? Of course. ऐसे ही तो धंधा बढ़ता है. So I have already grown, and when I started my business, the population of this town was 5 lakhs. Now it is 20 lakhs. And we talk about a book called Blue Ocean Strategy. तो बोलता अभी मेरा टाइम हो गया है, अभी मैं आई वांट टू सपोर्ट न्यू बिजनेसमैन. लुक एट द यंग बॉय, ही हैज गॉट द ड्राइव. ही केम टू मी फॉर ब्लेसिंग हिम फॉर हिज बिजनेस. आई टोल्ड आई विल इन्वेस्ट इन योर बिजनेस. लेट मी टेल यू ऑल द पीपल ओवर हियर, जस्ट मेक 2 demarcation. Those who want to bless you with money and those who are ready to work for money. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जन है. ओनली थिंग वी शुड हैव द knack of understanding who can bless you with money and the other one who can take the money and multiply it. And the last story which I like to tell and wind up over here is that it's a moral responsibility of everyone who takes a single pie to give it 10-fold. It's a moral responsibility. ये धर्म की बात है. चाणक्य spoke about अर्थ एंड धर्म. पैसा मिल गया, उसके बाद क्या? उसके बाद काम शुरू होती है. If you get money, that's only the starting point. Why do you think so many people are leaving India? Because we don't give value addition, and value addition is not just ROI. Even if you lose money, they'll invest you, they'll mentor you, they'll guide you. But your dharma is to make sure that what you got, you give it back. Isn't it true? And it is not a legal agreement, it's a moral agreement. अगर उसने 1 रुपया भी दिया है, मुझे वापस देना है. If you don't have that commitment, don't ask for money. But if you take money and somebody trusts you, don't break that trust. With that, I would like to stop by saying, according to Indian scriptures, it is the dharma, it is a duty, responsibility of a businessman to create wealth. अगर आपको पैसा बनाना नहीं आता है, बिजनेस मत करो. लेकिन बिजनेस करने को आता है, मतलब यू कैन क्रिएट वेल्थ. एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट मनी, इट्स एक्चुअली वेल्थ क्रिएशन. सो येस, यू विल एक्सपेरिमेंट, यू विल फेल, यू विल गेट अप अगेन एंड गो. Money will come, money will go, stock markets will go up and down. But I want to just tell you, we are at the right place at the right time. And here is a small insight, because I'm an academician also. Why we are at the right place at the right time? I'll give you a logical answer. उसके बाद में सोचना. The story is about World War I and II. There was one country which did not participate in World War I and II. Remember the country? Switzerland. Absolutely right. Imagine, आजू बाजू में सब लोग झगड़ा करें एक दूसरे से, and he says I'm neutral. And you'll be surprised, Switzerland, everybody trusted. So 2 जन का झगड़ा हो रहा है, भाई भाई है सब लोग यूरोप में. Isn't it true? By the way, India was not involved in World War I and II. We got pulled because of the British rule at that time. My grandfather participated in World War II. He was in the army at that time. So इसलिए हमको तो भेजा गया. It was their problem. Isn't it true? But within that whole Europe, there was one country who said, I will not participate. And both the parties trusted them. तो वैसे चालू हो गया स्विस बैंक. तेरा भी पैसा मेरा, तेरा भी पैसा मेरा. But they trusted. Today, that Switzerland is actually India. True or no? So जो भी वॉर चल रहा है चलने दो, एडवांटेज इंडिया. But it's not about taking money. We have to save it, invest it, and multiply it and give it back. Isn't it true? So my dear friends, all entrepreneurs over here, please discuss with mentors. Have somebody to guide you morally and financially. With that, I like to tell you, so much to learn about Chanakya. There are 21 books I have written. But the idea is that you should become Chanakya of your own companies. And I always tell startup, तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है ना एडवाइजर को देने के लिए, so I'll tell you one formula which Dhirubhai Ambani applied. There are so many people in the government retired, but nobody values them. IAS, IPS officers, one IAS officer is very bigger than a chairman of a multinational company. True or no? But the day they retire, nobody values them. बराबर है कि नहीं? So if you want a free advice, let me tell you, घर पे बुलाएंगे, चाय भी पिलाएंगे, और कॉन्टैक्ट भी देंगे, सब देंगे. So what I'm saying is that you decide which is your field, what advice you want, but there's so many people. Dhirubhai Ambani actually took the help of retired government officials when he started in the field of petroleum. True or no? HPCL, BPCL, ONGC, कोई नहीं, but he knew the value of experienced people. So I just want to tell over here, my dear friend, Chanakya is an experienced person. Anybody wants a help, I'm always around, but never consider that you have got money, your work is over. That's only the starting point. And somebody says, I want to meet you, I want to invest in you, as over where rightly pointed out, किसी को ना मत बोलना. You may come to think about investor, but you may go back invested. All the best. Thank you so much.